In this video, I will show you how to make two necklaces with two different slightly designs. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories, and also we are increasing our production in house fashion accessories. We are involved in slow fashion, so if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. Today I have chosen these two recycled piece of Lastic to do choker necklaces, so to make two choker necklaces. This is 1 and 2. So I've got a cotton thread, I've got a recycled acrylic thread, I've got some flowers, some different kind of colors of flowers with different flowers. So these are very fine lace flowers. So I also have jump rings, cord endings, extensions, clasp. So that's for one set, and that's the other set as well. These are the materials and the findings. So I've got a needle and a hook, thread cutter, got a pair of scissors. So I've got some craft glue, got my pliers always, and I have the cold glue gun or heated cold glue gun. So let's start. The first one, I like to be the classic style. So I'm going to use blue shades for this one, which means that I'm going to use this. So let's start. The second one, I want it to be a bit funky, that's why I'm using these different of colors. So there we are. After I steam ironed, I'm left with this. So here's my creation for today. two choker necklaces. One is a classic and the other one is a funky one. Again, thanks for watching. Stay humble and wonderful.